When I grow up, I will someday paint a rainbow in the sky. I climb the tree and I paint a rainbow in the sky. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. Mother says that I love you. Ha ha ha, ho ho ho. Father says that I love you. Okay. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Tan, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. The main question: are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother Tan, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. Hep hep, hep hep. Okay, si Dayo nagising din. Okay. Sit down. So I'm Teacher Loida. Say that. Hello, Teacher Loida. Hello, children. Okay. So I'm your teacher in reading and language. Of course, ako po yung advisor na junior rounds ng afternoon. Again. Hello, Teacher Loida. Ay, gusto ko yung happy. Hello, Teacher Loida. Isa pa nga. Hep, hep. Okay, hep, hep. Okay, so now I would like to introduce our math and science teacher. She is Teacher Jo. Where is Teacher Jo? Hello. Aba. Speaking? Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Very good. Okay, children. I am Teacher Jo. Teacher Joanne. Joanne po ang pangalan ko. Pero yung iba, tawag ay Teacher Jo. O, Joanne na daw sabi ni Kobe.